Hello, folks. This is Power Man. And this is my character, Spider-Man. Okay, let's cut some bad guys. Okay, let's cut some bad guys. Where are they? I don't know. Where do you think where they are? Ducks this. Is it up? Take it a dick week, folks. I am Spider Potato. Let's see. I'm a chickman.
Dashing through the stores on a chipmunk skateboard. Through the clouds we played.
Okay. Terrifying beyond. Oh, yeah? What do you think you are? Buzz Lightyear? Why, yes. I am Buzz Lightyear. Who's you? I'm Spider-Man. Well, you can't do nothing about me. Well, I'm Woody. I'm Woody. Well, I'm Spider-Man. I'm Woody. I'm Spider-Man. No. I don't think so. Buzz? You knock. Hey, you knocked me down. Well, it was an accident. It was Spider-Man's fault. No, don't play Spider-Man. Okay, it's Potato Head's fault. That's Spider Potato Head. It's not Mr. Potato Head. I'm the chickmunk.
Okay, now me and Power Man are going to play a game. Go ahead and get the other controller.
So I'll get the PlayStation 4.
It's in there. There should be another one in there.
I've seen the language ones. I've always seen my language one.
I didn't move it.
Start your engines for Sony Computer Entertainment America production.
Okay.
Fasten your seatbelts for another multi-door creation.
Alright, so me and Power Man are going to play Crash Team Racing Battle. But since this is his studio, I'm going to let him choose. X. Sex.
Oh, that's right. Memory card. Okay. Let's be big now.
Okay, what course do you want?
Doesn't really matter.
Well, you're the one who's choosing.
Oh, okay. Okay. The easy one.
Okay, choose what weapons you want. Alright.
All of them.
I hope you know what you're getting yourself into. Of course, I am not.
Okay, this is Power Man. This will be a lot easy and hard. Here we go, folks.
And for those of you who do not know, I'm Tiny, and he is Crash Bandicoot. Oh no, he's got 3 of them. Are you screen peeking? Better not be screen peeking.
I don't know where I'm at. That's why I'm on grass and you are somewhere. I'm not sure where you are.
Oh, nuts, no! That's not going to help you in this situation.
What is it? What is it? A ball.
TNT. Whoa!
There! Again! Right there.
Take this!
That's the best spot ever.
What in the world?
Oh, I don't like those. Okay. 9? Just 9? What did I have a bomb or
He had a missile.
Okay.
You ran right into me.
This would be this. That's how long this one.
Ah, you look! That was a cheap shot. That was totally a cheap shot. Oh.
No bombs.
Oh, it's on now.
And that's just eyesight. Can't fight me. second fight. On the second fight, you can't because of the wheels.
Actually, nobody can see the wheels. It doesn't matter.
Okay, butt bomb.
What? Oh, that's it.
Where are you at?
That is it. No, no.
Sucker. Wait, that was mine.
No, 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 no. Now, that's not going to help me at anything. Oh, come on. Seriously? Give me something. Give me something useful.